Yep, we decided to go ahead and paint the door black. This is the front bedroom of our 1984 mobile home, and that's the first room that we really finished, and that's the front bedroom. It was finished except for a couple little things like this door needed to be painted. So we did throw the question out there to you guys, what color should the door be? And I think most people said black. There were a few people who said other colors, and for good reason, but we decided ultimately to go black. That was our original idea anyway. But let me show you the process of how we got that done. Now my old paint sprayer hasn't been working good, so I abandoned it. And I pulled out another sprayer that I had. And now this sprayer isn't really designed for spraying latex, but I thought if I watered it down, I could make it through that process. And once again, I was wrong, and the spray finish was not coming out good. I gave it a couple tries, and then I abandoned that before it was too late, and I just said, I'm just going to roll it. Grabbed some rollers, started back rolling all the spray, and then just rolled the rest of the door. And surprisingly, amazingly, the paint looks beautiful. Despite the mistakes, the mess-ups, and having to switch to rollers, the finish is something very nice that we can live with. So, lesson learned, I'm not good at spraying paint. I'll have to practice that more in the future, but not on these doors. You guys saw what we did was we built a couple of stands to mount the door on. Basic 2x4s I grabbed from home, screw them together to make a couple of upside down T's, and screwed it into the ends of the door. We just did the front and back sides, and then after those were dry, we did the ends. I really should have done it the other way around, I think, where I painted the ends first and then put them on the rack, because it's kind of a hassle painting the ends without messing up the finish that we just did. But like I said, we made it through. Door looks good. Bedroom almost done. I don't know if you can see, but Evie's in there right now cleaning up our mess from our cabinet build. We have all that styrofoam and packaging in there, so she's cleaning up a mess. And as we step up here in the kitchen, you guys can see no more progress has been made. We're still waiting on some tools to arrive. A couple more days and I'll have everything I need to install the cabinet uppers, get the range hood installed. I'll show you guys that whole process, share with you the new range hood and our decisions of venting it. So all that will be coming. I just don't have anything right now. Everything sits as we left it last time. So now we've decided we're going to be taking a short break from the mobile home while we're waiting for some things to come. And we're going to work on some projects back at home. As you can see, we have been working. We decided we needed to overhaul our backyard. We've had some new plans, some new design changes. We pulled up all of our gardens, leveled out all the gardening soil, and we're starting fresh, moving things around to a better location. We also have decided that it's time for some spring cleaning. We want to get this yard cleaned up. We feel like we've accumulated enough junk to get a dumpster. So we ordered a dumpster. That's going to be coming tomorrow. We're going to be doing just a big spring cleanup of our property, getting it tidy again. And that's what our focus is probably going to be for the next couple of days. So there might be a little break in videos. Just wanted to let you guys know where we're at, what we're doing. Just working on some things back at home. We may or may not film all of it. We'll see. So I just wanted to give this little heads up update video so that you guys know if we do show some projects around here, why we're taking a break from the mobile home, why we're working on things around our property, because we just wanted to do this, get this done right now. It's the right time for it. So we're going to do a little bit more work in the mini mobile. We want to finish gutting the end room. We never did that. When the dumpster's here, we're going to gut that. It's all taking advantage of the dumpster and just trying to work in that time period. So we're going to be jumping around for a little while, and then we'll get right back to the mobile home project.